Welcome to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
The Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Northeast University, Bangladesh is providing a CS education that is both broader in landscape and deeper in specialization. New courses were introduced in the syllabus, and at the same time, rigorous training in programming and robotics is conducted in every single semester through different workshops. And apparently, we have the result in our hand. Our students became champion at the national level of International Robotics Competition 2016, and they also became the second runner-up in the international level, which was held in Mumbai, India. They have participated in various programming contests and bringing us success. Our students have started their career as researchers, and they have numerous publications in various reputed international conferences, most of which are sponsored by IEEE. We have also organized a national mega event, Tech Hunt 2017, which was the first such event organized by any private universities in Sylhet. Having highly skilled and experienced teachers, we hope that our journey will be even more successful one in near future.
Northeast University Bangladesh, education with innovation.